Right, I've got the flatbed on. I'm very happy with how it's turned out. There's me erring again. I do that way too many times, but yeah, the flatbed's on. Looking quite good now. It's turning out how I wanted. A few little things I need to sort out, but it ain't too bad yet. Wheel arch gap I'm happy with, and yeah, I'm just amazed. I may end up lifting the back, and if I do, I'll end up lifting the front suspension up just to help level the truck out, because it is leaning quite far forward. If I can level the phone, I think there's about level. The truck is tilted quite a lot. Yeah, if I go with the truck, it does, yeah. Anyway, but now the flatbed's on. Try not to trip over that. Yeah, flatbed's on. Need to fit the number plate just there. None of the lights are wired up. I've literally just got it on. No bolts are holding it down. Well, I've just put some bolts in just to line up the holes. But no, it's looking really good. Turning out exactly like I wanted. Yeah, just all I did was use the old strap down ties to put some straps around and lift it onto the back nice and gently. Yeah, inside we've fitted new speakers, got a new radio down there, a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, but we'll see if I can put up with it being in there. If not, I'll have to get a different radio. But no, it's looking absolutely fabulous now. Turning out exactly like I wanted. Lights work well. Let me just turn them on. There you go, hang on. There you go, lights are working well. They're set on the red right now. I can't leave the video to change it. Or if I go to change the colour, it'll cut the video, and I can't. I don't want to be going in and out all the time. But no, there's all sorts of different colour combinations. I got a few videos I might chuck on now, but I don't know. But no, I'm very happy with that now. Got the projectors working correctly now. I had issues with the wiring for the full beam, but that's working brilliantly now. Yeah, the bed is just, yeah, it's within the front wing, so that's not a problem. But yeah, she's looking brilliant, and I don't know what else to say really. I'm just really happy. There are a few things I would have done different, but no, I'm happy how it turned out, to be honest. Very happy. Very happy. If we line that up, so we're in line with, so yeah, as a previous video I was trying to say is that the edge of the box, like the flatbed, that edge there is in line with the cab, or it was. It's you know, it's in line. Then I came up 2 inches here, and then the wheel arch is another inch, which it covers up the wheels just nicely. And then yeah, you follow that line, it does actually line up very similar to the front arch. So no, it's all turned out really good, really good. I've done a few other little clips of stuff, but they're all a bit crap really. Yeah. But yeah, we're looking good now. I've got some pipes down there to go into underneath the bonnet for the boost pipes. Got a few sorted now. If I can open the bonnet quickly. There you go, we got boost pipe going into there, coming out of there. All I got to do is make one of the new hoses I've got now fit from the turbo to there. I'll just clock it round so it's at a 90-degree angle, at the right angle for that pipe. I've swapped the rocker cover over because I don't like the old style. I'm sure a lot of people will. Well, I prefer this new style of rocker. So really, the only way of knowing this is an old engine is by the original timing case. That is still down though. I never got rid of it. Not that I would. The fuel pump's on, running well, bellowing all sorts of smoke out. I got to fit a breather pipe to there, but that's a future problem. Yeah, we've got all the headlights working now. So yeah, we're looking pretty good. So the next job now is to wire at the back, which I got some lights. I've got some lights to go in the top up there. Got some lights to go in there and in there. But for now, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit and stare for another hour now, I think, just just to be happy with what I've done. Yeah, the little toolbox works well. I haven't put any straps in it yet, but that works great. You know, that's functioning. Yeah, anyway, I'll video any more that I seem not even remotely interesting, but yeah. Yeah, so the paintwork, all the black around the sides is chassis black, which turned up really nice when I was done. I've gone up here with it and everywhere up there. That is just some Riviera blue. I had B36, I think is the colour code. There's a few spots it cracked and it didn't go to plan, but it seemed all right. I'm happy with how it's turned out. And then this is Raptor black, Raptor paint. Everyone seems to go on about. I hate the stuff. For this job, it's fine as a bed liner. That's the whole point of it. When people go and put it on their cabs, I think it's just the worst thing to do. It ruins the look of the car, but that's just my opinion. And then I didn't want to, but I've had to Raptor this panel as well, because when I was painting the chassis black onto it, I had a few drips, which did piss me off a little bit, so I had to just put Raptor over it, which is, they don't look too bad. I'm happy with how it's turned out anyway. Yeah, but it's looking marvellous.